Welcome back, Jira enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of Jira query language, commonly known as JQL. If you have been using Jira, you probably already know the basics of crafting queries to retrieve and manage your issues. But in this video, we are talking it up a notch. Get ready to unlock the power of advanced JQL techniques that will help you to become a Jira query maestro. I'm Deepak Rai, and let's get it started. There's one announcement for you. If you want to learn Jira from scratch, you can also refer my YouTube playlist. However, I've already created a detailed course on Jira for Scrum Master and project managers, which you can refer at. So here, just navigate it to raigurukul.trophy.com where you will find it out the detailed course, which is a complete course outline where you learn Jira from scratch. So there are total 10 modules which you can get it in just 599 rupees for Indian user and 1000 rupees for out of India. So feel free to refer this course. I will also include the URL and description tab so that will be easy for you to refer this course link. Now, coming down to today's topic, we are talking about JQL. Before diving deep into the advanced techniques, let's quickly recap the basics of JQL. JQL is a powerful query language that allows you to search for issues in Jira based on various criteria, such as project, status, assigning, and more. You can start with simple queries like project, name. So here, either you can go ahead with this basic search or you can search for any project queries. So let me navigate into the issues, and from here we will simply see this is the project name. Normally it's going by head with the key. So project key, here we can see it. However, if you want to see just search with project name, simply write project equal to in double quotes the project name. So right now I'm just writing aware, and you can see aware project, that is AP is the key, and simply click on search. So this was the basic query. You can switch to JQL. So this is a part of JQL. You can also retrieve issues on the any project which is you have the access of it. Let's say I want to type just L, and you will see the suggestions. So all those project name is suggested here itself. Hit enter and you'll find out all the issues related with Adama demo. Next is multiple query criteria. We can also use and or operator. If you want, you can use and. Second, project name, like which we have seen up here. And here I will just up here project. So whichever issue is highlighted in up here, you will see, or maybe we can add off. So you'll see the project related to Avaya as well, or AP. I would add AP. So here we can provide the project name, or you can also search with priority as well. So if you want to search for this project and we wanted to add the priority, then add the priority of any issues. Let's say I'm adding here high. So you'll get suggestions, and based on that, whichever high priority issues you have, that will be highlighted. Let me add it to medium, and you can see this medium field is updated, and you will have all those issues which is a part of Adama demo, and the priority is medium. Now combining multiple query. So here, let's level up, learn how to combine multiple criteria using logical operator. We'll explore and or operator in much deeper and even not to create a complex query. For example, imagine query with all high priority issues assigned to you in the last 7 days across multiple projects. Considering such queries step by step, we have to be patient, and with JQL, the advantage is we are getting the suggestions. So using functions, we can achieve it. By using date compare or current users, we will be able to achieve it. So let's try to write it down this query where we will just write it down. Resolution date, will select this, and greater than or equal to will provide start of date, start of date, will select this, and after that we will add within this, will add minus 30, and here we'll just before, because I did not updated this project from very long, so I won't be able to get anything, but at least you will get some verifications like queries, right? Updated by, and here we will provide the updated person name. So equal to, I will just add current user, and now that's done. So because, so maybe update, I will provide just this updated by current user. Maybe I will provide my name, the book, updated equal to, and then the book dot try, or maybe updated on date, we can provide it. So end of year, hit search, and you will see nothing is available because this project I've created very long back. That's the reason we won't see it. But when we are trying to add all those complex query, we have to understand the logic first. So this is a field and this is a value. Value we are providing based on our requirement. Let's say I want to extract it for last 365 days. So here again nothing, because this project was created before 2 years. We can also work with subqueries, issue functions. So LinkedIn issues off. We can start with status, in progress, and type epic, which will have the different options available. Now, using functions, we can also retrieve the informations from Jira, which is a part of JQL itself. Jira provides a range of functions to enhance our query. We'll cover functions like date compare or current user, or issue functions to create dynamic queries. Want to find issue resolved within a specific time frame, or perhaps identify all issues we have interacted with recently. We have got covered. So let's say we are working with any user which contains date compare. So we can just add timestamp, and this timestamp will show us the proper date timestamp. Maybe I write it down, date compare or current issue function version, and here equal to, we will add some empty fields. And now this query is perfect. Hit enter, and you'll have the detailed issue forms versions. All those informations will be available. So this is how we can use it. Now let's get started with the working subqueries. Subqueries can be game changer in JQL. Imagine finding unresolved issue linked to epics that are currently in progress. We'll guide you how to nest queries within queries for precise or for more precise result. This technique is incredibly useful when dealing with the complex workflows and interrelated issues. So for doing so, here we can provide custom JQL functions which will help us achieve all those scenarios. So in JQL, when we are writing a detailed JQL query, probably we have to work with custom JQL functions, which is issue. Maybe I will write it here, issue assigned, or maybe I will add age in the functions and then greater than or equal to 7. Now let me just try this. Okay, I think issue properties or maybe issue duplicated by equal to, we can add empty, and here we'll get some fields. If any issue is duplicated by empty, we can get the proper subtask here. Now next options we are having, like, so if you want to use the project and status closed, so normally we'll just write it down here, project equal to, and then the project name, and after that I want the status, and status will be status equal to or not equal to, I can see, so that we'll use other operator as well, not equal to closed. So here we will get all those issues which is not closed, and we can also add updated date. So let's say we want to add again one more conditions, and here we have updated date, and which we can define it or equal to will provide the start of day. So here start of day, and this value we wanted to provide -7. So let's see the result, and here we have nothing. Let me add 180. Maybe I will have something. Yes. So we have updated few of the issues before 180 days. So this is how we can generate the complex query for any projects. So using fields that are indexed, avoiding navigations in our queries, and keeping the query as specific as possible can help us to improve the performance. Now, next is complex query with multiple criteria and functions. So retrieve all the unresolved issues that are assigned to the current user and have been updated within last 14 days, sorted by priority. So here, if we want to write this query, we have to simply write it down, not equal to, and then resolved. So I'm just keeping as resolved. So next actions I want to add as AND operator, and I want to provide the assignee. So assignee will be equal to Deepak, right? And next is again AND operator. So here updated date. So as I said, because we are work on this project, very long back. So here I will just add this updated date greater than or equal to minus 180 days. So that I just wanted to get the detail. And finally, order by, we are just adding order by, and next options we want to priority. So priority is in descending order. So this is how we can write the complex query for any functions which you want to retrieve it. This complex query with subquery and sub functions which will help us to achieve our goal. So find all issues that are linked to Epic in progress and have more than 3 subtasks. Exclude issues that are already closed. If you want to write it down this, normally we have to use issue functions and linked off. So here we will again write down one more query or complex query. So here just write it down linked issue of finally, and here we'll provide the status linked issue status. Normally this action is not showing, so probably it will not work. So let me add here. We are just having one option. So normally the query is working at link issues of, and the finally we are providing status in progress or tabbed with type epic and issue function in subtask for status equal to close and issue function issue field matches, then we will get the proper result. Using custom functions of the priority calculations, which retrieves all issues with calculated priority score greater than 8, where the priority score is a custom function based on the combination of priority and issue age. So here, either we can add the custom functions which will help us to achieve the goal. Without adding that, we won't be able to achieve it. Normally, this is the way where we can generating complex query in Jira. So congratulations, you have now mastered advanced JQL techniques in Jira with the skills you have gained today. You can streamline your issues tracking, improve productivity, and gain deeper insight into your projects. Don't hesitate to experiment with these techniques and adapt them to a specific workflow. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, your Jira journey is just beginning. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep rocking those queries. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Jira tips as well, and always happy querying. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.